Hey, hello there, welcome back to a big weather update today. Right now we have 92A, it's going to be expected to be developing within the next couple of days. And we also have 96W right now. Chances of development, is moderate, I'd say. And also on top of that, right now we also have a slight risk of severe weather tonight and a moderate risk of excessive rainfall. We'll begin covering all of that today in today's video. Let's get right into it. And moving on to this right now, we have 92A, moderate chance of developing within it's right now. Right now it's quite uncertain. We might be getting something significant. We might not get something significant right now. It's all right now up in the air. Right, and we have 96W, of course, as well. Chance of developing, I'd say, is moderate. Could not, but nonetheless, it's looking to be affecting the Philippines. So yeah. So looking at this now, we have a slight risk across Texas, marginal risk across Arkansas, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Florida, 2% tornado, 15% significant hail, and 15% wind. Anyways, looking at surface analysis right now, we're looking across southern Texas around dew points within 60s and 70s, maybe even upper 70s, of course. And then looking towards widespread 70s though, especially when you get even when you get into Louisiana, and yeah, we'll see what goes down anyways. But right now, several severe thunderstorm watches and just any watches in general, you can definitely see we have that toggled right now. So anyways, looking at instability right now, mixed layer cape right now, we're looking at around between 2,500 to 4,000 joules per kilogram across southern Texas, as it's quite moderate instability, strong instability. As we head into Louisiana, we're looking at around between 2,000 and around 1,000 joules per kilogram. So this could be supporting a couple severe thunderstorms, of course, and that's why we have a marginal risk, especially when you points. And we have a slight risk. Yeah. And then looking at effective bulk shear right now, we're looking at between southern Texas right now, we're looking at between 50 and 55 knots, maybe a couple pockets around 45. And looking at Texas, in Louisiana, we're looking at around 40, maybe 35 knots as well. Anyways, looking at effective inflow base helicity right now, we're looking at between around across southern Texas between 25 and 50 meters cubed per second cubed. Then looking at across southern Louisiana, we're looking between I'd say roughly 50 to 100 meters cubed per second cubed. Anyways, looking at surface vorticity 0 to 3 kilometer cape above ground level, and right now we're looking between around roughly across southern Texas 75 to maybe 125 joules per kilogram, maybe 25 to 125 joules per kilogram, and then across southern Louisiana we're looking between 25 and 100 joules per kilogram. So maybe enough. Vorticity could definitely have an impact on how strong these thunderstorms can get. So anyways though, we're looking at moderate risk across Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi, slight risk across Alabama, Mississippi, and also for Arkansas, Texas, and Louisiana, marginal risk across Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Mississippi, Peninsula, Florida, and also Mississippi. But anyways though, this is more of just an eastern view so you can get the full picture. However though, turn around, don't drown. Flash flood is one of the leading killers in the U.S. We could be seeing some scattered flash flood events going into tonight, and that's certainly not what we need, as train thunderstorms are expected to be moving through, dropping very heavy rain. So anyways, looking at the rain for the next 24 hours right now, we're looking at around 3 inches across southern Louisiana, maybe an inch across, stretching from Texas all the way through Peninsula, Florida. And as we move on to more towards the East Coast, right now we're looking at between around 1 inch. As we enter South Carolina, we're looking maybe across central part of the state, we could be seeing 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches. But anyways, that's really it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. However, though, we're looking at quite the active pattern. As we have an excessive rainfall, pretty moderate, pretty bad, and then we have 92A, 96W, and then we have a slight risk, marginal risk tomorrow across portions of Florida and South Georgia. We'll see how that pans out. But however, though, it's really it. And yeah, goodbye.